In this video, we'll show you how to remove your account from a social platform while keeping your main account intact. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and giving us a thumbs up. Perhaps you've decided to stop using a particular social network, but you still want to keep your main account. Don't worry, we'll walk you through the steps. Let's get started. First, open up the app you wish to delete your account from, just like I've done here. Next, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then, go to the top right corner and tap on the menu icon, 3 lines. This will open up the settings. Scroll down and select Account from the list. Look for the option that says Deactivate or Delete Profile. Tap on it. Now you'll be given the option to either deactivate or delete your profile. Choose Delete Profile at the bottom. To confirm, you'll be asked to enter your password. Don't worry, your main account will remain unaffected by this process. After entering your password, tap the button to proceed with the deletion of your profile. As you can see, your profile is now scheduled for deletion, but your main account remains fully functional. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.